What's up, guys? Today I'm trying the newest cookies in Las Vegas from Cooke Plug. They serve 12 different cookies, have 4 keto options, and have a surprise flavor every month. First up to bat, we have s'mores. While I was there, I got a fancy cookie cutter, which makes it easier to share cookies with friends or family, or it just makes it easier to eat alone. Voila! Let's give this bad Larry a try. Nice soft interior, slightly chewy marshmallow type topping. This is utterly delicious. Next in line, we have the beautiful purple velvet, which is actually one of their most popular cookies. Much easier to slice. Very good. It almost like melts in your mouth. I wouldn't say it's a home run, but I would say this is at least a double on the baseball field. Third in our lineup, we have the scrumptious triple chocolate cookie. Oh, look at that. It just gets easier and easier. Oh my God. You know, I almost didn't get this cookie. I was debating the triple chocolate or the OG chocolate chip, but the last time I did a cookie video, we did the OG chocolate chip, and it was good. It wasn't my favorite out of all of them though, and I gotta say, I'm damn happy that I went with this triple chocolate. So far, the best of the three, comparing to s'mores and the purple velvet. The chocolatey flavor is just damn. It almost tastes like a really chocolatey brownie with like melting chocolate chips in it. Definitely a home run. And to finish box one, we are gonna be concluding with the good old snickerdoodle cookie. Magical in a way that I don't know how to describe. Normally I'm like a chocolate chip kind of guy, but man, that snickerdoodle is hitting different. I would actually say that it's better than the purple velvet, which to me is disappointing because with how beautiful it looks, I was kind of hoping it would be the best of all 4. Out of these 4 cookies, I would highly recommend the triple chocolate chip to anybody interested in trying Cooke Plug. Now, box 2 gets a little crazy. We're gonna be diving right into the sugar cookie. It looks like a walk-in cavity, so maybe I'll only need a nipple, unless... Very soft, light, fluffy, great middle. I'm not a huge fan of like the dots and all that stuff, the little beaded crunchies. Without those, I would say I really, really like it. If you like the dots, you'll love this cookie. But either way, the middle is delicious. Now for the cookie I'm most excited for, the cookies and cream. Oh, that was easy, I was just making it look hard. See, cookies and cream flavored things, I find them weird. It's kind of like watermelon. Watermelon flavored things don't actually taste like watermelon. Cookies and cream, I feel like it's either hit or miss. This is pretty damn spot on. If you're eating cookies and cream ice cream, you get a chunk. It almost tastes like one of the chunks. Very, very good. I give it a double. I give it a double. Next on the list, we have a fruity cereal flavored cookie. Grab your milk for this one, folks. I don't know where I was going with that. You know, cereal, milk, I don't know. Wow. The flavor hits almost immediately. That is an instant throwback to my childhood, some Fruity Pebbles. You taste it right away. Soft middle, harder outside, tastes like exactly what you would expect. That right there, folks, is a home run. And to complete box 2, we have the strawberry cheesecake flavored cookie. She's beautiful. The best way to describe this cookie is a better version of the Subway raspberry cheesecake cookie. Better flavor, more cookie. And out of these 4 cookies, I would highly recommend the fruity cereal to anybody who goes to Cooke Plug. If there's a Cooke Plug near you, comment cookies on this video down below for a chance to win a free box for yourself. And I will see you next week. Subscribe.